clear our roads for us. Anything that's fresh to go, freshly dead. And I'm going to tell you that is definitely one of the things. But with that, I'm going to shout to one of our vulture friends. I'd like all of you to welcome out our black vulture, Miss Buzz. Welcome, Buzz. This is Buzz, our black vulture. With one of the no-vulture species found out there, the other one, well, being the turkey vulture with his bright red head. Well, Buzz is known as a human imprinted bird, to where she doesn't see herself as pretty much a vulture. She sees herself more as a very handsome, bald-headed woman. Buzz is our female, you know that. Now, of course, we're seeing Buzz here on stage, so I know we just had a volunteer here on the stage, but I'm also going to need another volunteer, an adult volunteer, that is. And we need an adult volunteer. It's up to you. Come on up here. All right. Everyone, welcome our volunteer. Give her a hand. Give her a hand. Perfect. Knoxville. All right. Everyone say goodbye to Rebecca in Knoxville. All right. So, you like vultures? You do? Awesome. So, you know what vultures eat? Dead things. Cool. Guess where you want to? No, you're going to be roadkill for me. So, whatever you do is that this is your road. I need you to lay down right here. Lay down. You volunteered, so yeah. Watch out for the white spots, that's not paint. So, now, for everyone, we just had our victim volunteer, here on our stage, which are our culture baits. With this, make sure that our roadkill is very still, meaning that you cannot breathe. I'm joking. Now here's the thing. Vultures don't really have sharp talons. They don't really have a strong grip or anything. The best thing they love to do is that sharp beak. They like to rip, tear, skin, the organs that are just pulled out completely from the roadkill. Roadkill doesn't move. And with that, Buzz really loves ankles. That is her favorite. She just loves to rip the skin from it. And that's what they love to do. Does that sound great? That's just bad news for you. The good news, though, is that I heard the same right here that said, die. I'm just kidding, you're not going to go straight out. Here's what's scary. See, that's going to happen. No, but we are going to bring Buzz back out. And she's going to fly onto your arm. So, here's what we're going to do. What I'm going to get you is some gloves. Now, like I told you is that they really don't have sharp talons or anything like that. They don't really have strong grips. Now the thing is though, they have another different type of defense mechanism. Is that when they get nervous or something that's up close, they actually ultraviolet. Did y'all know they actually threw up or anything like that? Did y'all know that? That's saying thumbs up there. So some actually do that. Well, not to worry. Because we came prepared for you if something does happen. We have here some goggles. So the thing is, the reason why we have these because ultraviolet can be very acidic. It can definitely blind you in your eyes. Now here's the thing. Come over here. Buzz here, right here, has been in 4,000 shows. Okay. Buzz is only going off on 50 people. 49 of them from Knoxville. So, I always got a 50-50 chance. But, like I said, these goggles here can definitely protect you because, again, it can partially blind you, not critical. So that's why I have protection up here, down, the side to side. Now, pretty much okay. Now, the main thing is, over here, I'm just kidding. Here you go. So, dog. You can still get in there. Alright. Come on right over here. I'm going to give you this glove right here. Let's do your left hand. Let's do it right there. All the way in. Perfect. Alright. Now, I want you to face that direction. Have your arms extended out, just like this. Yep, just like that. Alright. Camera's ready? Camera's ready? Alright, it's okay. Alright, guys, come on out. Alright, good girl. Perfect. There she goes. Alright. Alright, well, how about this? You want to see one more time? One more time, guys, here? I think so? Maybe you might throw it this time. Let's try this. No, sure. You said perfect. You sure you want that? Alright, so get your arm out one more time. One more time.